Hello traders. This video is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation or an offer to buy or sell any financial instrument. Okay, and we are looking at the monthly chart of Dow Jones. Okay, and this candle now is completed. This is the month of March. This candle now is completed for the Dow Jones. Okay, now what's happening here? Like I said to you before, if a month is about to close, okay, the market will wait for the candle to close first. Okay, it's the same thing when we are going to enter a trade on the hourly chart. We wait for the hourly candle to be closed first before we make our trading decision. If you are watching the daily chart, you wait for the daily chart candle, okay, to be closed before you make your trading decision. This is today's candle, okay. But if the month is about to close, okay, the smart money, the hedge fund, will pay attention carefully to the monthly candle, okay. And this is what was going on. Even though a signal, most of the trading system were giving all sell signal, as you can see, all this blah 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 here was telling people to look for opportunity to sell. But the market continued to drag on since yesterday. Okay, since yesterday there was some signal to sell. It was clear that the market was just playing a waiting time game, okay, waiting for the month, okay, to be closed fresh. Okay, that's what's happening, because the big money, okay, want to see the end of the month of March before making a decision. So all the retail traders were busy looking for opportunity to sell, and the market was just going up, going up, going up, going up, going up, going up, going up. Now the monthly candle is closed. If you receive a valid signal to sell, you can perfectly take that. But you can see that before that, it was just blah 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 blah, because the smart money was watching, okay, this chart. Okay, this is the monthly chart. If you draw the Fibonacci tool on this simple charting software, okay, you can see clearly that we are in a very important price level. Okay, very important price level of Fibonacci in the zone of 75 up to 88%. Also a very important price level here. Okay, and if you look carefully, the horizontal line, this level here, you see, okay, and the price is in this zone. Also a hidden Fibonacci retracement level. Okay, so the market was waiting for this monthly candle to be formed and to be completed and to be closed. Now the market is closed, and this candle now is closed. Okay, now we will start a new month tomorrow, which is the month of April. Okay, this is it. So we are now perfectly bearish towards the Dow Jones. Okay, now looking at the weekly chart, what we have said in the past is that the market should come back and give us a double bottom pattern. If the market allows us to have that, it does not mean that we just go and sell because we want to sell. We want to sell, but we will allow the market to give us opportunity to sell. If the market continues to go up, we will buy, of course. Okay, that's what we will do. So now this is what we have on the monthly chart. Okay, looking on the yearly chart of my simple charting software here, this is what we got on the yearly chart. Okay, 2009 very bullish, 2010 also bullish, and now this is the 2011 here. Okay, if you draw also the Fibonacci tool from here to here, you'll see that we are also again in the same zone. Watching my simple charting here, which I like to look at from time to time. Okay, I'm going back again to the monthly chart of this Dow Jones. Okay, a very important resistance zone. Okay, in a resistance zone, the strategy is that you do not swing trade in the resistance zone. You wait for the price to turn around there, because the price can do perfectly three things: find a resistance there and turn around. But ordinary trader will go and place order here to sell. That's a trading strategy also. We do not deny that. We enter with the TSCWSYS, telling that this is the time and the place to enter the trade. That's how we do it. Okay, but now the price can perfectly break this resistance zone and go above it. Okay, and a final support above that resistance level, which means the price will continue movement to the upside. So it can go above it and find a support there, or go above it just a bit tomorrow, only to come back down, crashing down big time. Okay. All right. So we will see what's going to happen here. But we know, because if you watch how the market did close at the end, okay, if you want to know what traders are trying to do at the closing of a monthly candle, you just wait the last 10 minutes before the market is about to close. Okay, so today was the last day of March. This is what we see. In the last 2 hours of the market was going down. People were placing orders to sell. This is what we see here. These are people who go and sell straight away. Okay, this is their trading strategy. Okay, because looking at this, they're expecting the bearish candle to follow. Okay, here. But like I said to you, we are also very bearish towards the Dow Jones because of the resistance zone. You don't want to buy in this zone. You wait for the price to cross above it and to find a support above it before buying. If you are just buying here, you are just gambling, in fact. Okay, so this is what we see. Okay, on the, so you learn something now. Attention on the monthly chart. The last day of the month, very excellent day for trading. Okay, watching the candle, because you are looking at the same charting, the same time, like the smart money, the hedge fund, the bank, everybody is watching the candle carefully. And that's why the whole week almost was for selling the Dow Jones. Okay, and every time people sell it, people will buy it back. That's what was going the whole week. Okay, and we knew what was going on because I mean, the smart money want to see that candle close on the monthly chart. That's why you see even today was a sell day, but the market went up, do all the blah 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 blah. This is what I call the protocol of the market. This is the protocol of the market. Okay, it's like the market opening bell also. Okay, so a month candle is about to close. Okay, it's another protocol period. Okay, for the market. So if you are not aware of the protocol of the market, you can also fail to understand what's going on, because I know that a lot of bears are frustrated now. Now this is the time to look for opportunity to sell, and most of the bears probably will give up. Okay, so if opportunity to sell is given to you here, you will perfectly take it. Okay, that by all means. Okay, so this is about the Dow Jones. We will now let's see what's happening here. Okay. Okay, now what I will do now was thinking to show you also the Apple stock. Okay, I will do another video regarding the Apple stock. So to summarize quickly for the situation regarding the Dow Jones, is that we are in a very critical level, and if you go to the the lower time frame, you will see that it's all blah 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 here. There was a head and shoulder pattern here, as you can see here. This head here, there was this shoulder here, and the market was doing all the blah blah blah, and finally they sold it here. Now this was also another hidden shoulder here. As you can see, shoulder here went up, and there was this here. Okay, and we sold out Dow Jones today, so I'll show you in one of my video today. Okay, and the price went down. Okay, but what's happened is that the price went down up to this level here, and people, those who are buying here, they bought it again here, and they bring it up here. We didn't close the trade, and they push it, and then finally the market sold it down. New York did close on this candle here, this one here. Okay, so you can see that people were selling, but some traders were courageous buying. So this is how the month did close today, the month of March. So the important thing to remember for the future, for yourself, to improve your trading, is that the first week of the month, repeat, the first week of the month is usually a very busy week, crowded with economy news. Okay, so also very interesting day to trade. The first day of the month, the first week of the month. Okay, pay attention to that. But the last week of the month and the last day of the month also very important. And as you can see, this candle is now closed, and Looking at this movement, you can see that the bull were in charge up to this level here, but at this point in time they were met by bear. You can see the bear sold them down up to the low of this second candle here. You see, this is 2-month candle. People manages to sell them down to this level. Okay, now the bull came back and bought it all the way up here. Now we will see if we have more bearish pressure here, the price has no choice but to come back down. That's what we have here, because they manages to sell it all the way here. So now the bull managed to fight back, which means this is a 1-1 to say a draw. So we will see the next candle. If the next candle start getting bearish and we'll receive a clear-cut signal here to sell for swing trading, we will sell. This is an excellent place to receive a signal to sell. If a signal to sell is given to you here, because you are in a hot spot resistance zone, a hot spot resistance zone. Okay, so this is about the Dow Jones. Like I promised, I'll do another video regarding the Apple stock. I was thinking to do it now, but I think I'll separate the two videos. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Looking at the daily chart, this is what we see, a double top being formed here. Okay, not very bullish right now. Okay, so keep watching, please. As you know, we were looking for opportunity to sell this Dow Jones for some time, and if somebody is throwing the pitchfork like this, that's what you see. Okay, those who know about pitchfork, that's what's happening here. Okay, so the distance from here, the middle here, projection to this level here, that's what's happening here for the pitchfork tool. You can draw a parallel line here. Okay, and then also here at this point. Okay, for those who are aware of the pitchfork tool, I'm doing this by hand. You can perfectly do this. You don't need to have it's not a perfect one, but you can perfectly work with this. So if the price start crashing down, the next target will be in this zone here. You see, this zone here, somewhere here. Okay, so talking about this somewhere here. Okay, that will be another test level for the price. But don't forget, if you are selling, you watch this support level here, because when the price is going down, the price looking for a better support level. Okay, very important. There is one here also. Okay, this was going on here. Now another thing that you can do also, draw in the channel as I showed you before. Now this is not an excellent charting software, so if you try to be it's a simple charting software, so but I like to use it because it's just simple. Now this to show you the pitchfork. Okay, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to draw another now this is not what I want to do. If you try to be patient with me, please. Okay, now because this is a very simple charting software. Okay, this is now let's call this one a channel like this. Okay, it's not a perfect channel. Okay, that's it. So we have a channel that was here. Okay, let's see if you're going to allow me to do my middle line with that's it. All right, so in fact looking at this rising channel, we are now on the lower part of the channel. That's a weakness of the bearish pressure, a weakness of the bullish pressure. Okay, so if the price come out of this channel, they may try to retest the edge of this edge, but I doubt it, because this Dow Jones has escaped too much the bearish pressure, and the bear will not be very happy, so to speak. But what's going to be very messy there, but we will see, because now we will see. Okay, if we come out of this session here, what we will do, we project for those of you who have been following us for some time, you know the drill now. Okay, we project the channel to the other side. Okay, not perfect channel now, but it's not a very good one. What I'll do, I'll remove this one and draw another one. Okay, if the price manages to come out of the channel, we will project the previous channel to the other side, which is what we call equal measure. Okay, equal measure of the same channel. Okay, if you accept that. Okay, and this is our new channel. If you come out here, we project the previous channel to the other side, equal measure. Okay, and then we draw again the middle line. Okay, you can see that I'm playing with this a simple charting software. That's it. So I have my double channel ready. So this will be the first zone. The price will try to find a support. If it come out, okay, the next level here, probably if it come here, people would like to retest the edge of this one. If it come here and they find a resistance, then it will bring it down to this zone. If it come out of this channel again, you know the drill, okay, you know the drill now. So you can just project it again, okay. You're doing exactly the same thing that the smart money are doing. They do this all the time. So nothing is stopping you also to start trading like this, okay, and enjoy your trade, because trading must be enjoyed. It's simple as that. Okay, so we have all our channel already. The first one here is still intact, okay, and if you come out, we will see, we check, we test, we will observe those levels carefully here. And if you come out of the second one also, we will observe this one here. If you come out this one, we'll project it again. If you end up going the other side, then which means the music has changed, okay, the bear has lost, and the bull take control of the market, we will again project it to the other side, okay. So don't try to force, okay, your intention on the market, okay. You see, it's gorgeously drawn. Like I said, if you cannot draw, so it looks like a motorway now, okay. You may call this one a fast lane, okay. So you have to tighten your belt in this zone, okay, and we may be on a fast movement to the downside, but that remains to be seen, okay. So I hope you enjoyed this video also, that you will put into practice in order to cream the market consistently. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTW SYS08 traders. Thank you for watching, and speak to you soon.